Hey everyone, check out the ZAGG Rugged Book iPad case with a detachable magnetic hinged keyboard designed for iPad Air 3, iPad Pro 10.5, and iPad 10.2, 9th Gen. This tough and versatile case securely holds your tablet while letting you adjust the viewing angle for maximum productivity. Enjoy an incredible typing experience thanks to the ergonomic Pro keyframe design with smooth, precise key travel and 7-color backlighting for low light comfort. The rugged polycarbonate and soft silicone materials protect your iPad from scratches and drops up to 6.6 feet. Connect up to 2 devices simultaneously with Bluetooth multi-device pairing and switch between them easily. Plus, the keyboard features forward-facing speaker cutouts and an Apple Pencil holder for added convenience. With a rechargeable battery lasting up to 2 years between charges and a sleep-wake function, this keyboard keeps you powered through all your work. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.